In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use commands in Minecraft Bedrock without cheats and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, when you create a standard survival world in any version in any platform where you are playing Minecraft Bedrock, cheats will not be enabled by default because, of course, survival is meant to challenge the player. So, if you try to use any sort of command, like commands to change the time, to give you items, to give you creative mode, and so on, it is just going to tell you that you don't have the privileges or the permissions to use that command. So I'm going to try, for example, time set night. Let's see what happens. As you can see, cheats aren't enabled in this world. So we can go over to these settings and browse through all of the options, and one of them is actually going to be to enable cheats. However, doing this will disable the achievement, so a lot of people want to use commands without enabling cheats. Is it possible to do this? Is there any way to use these chat commands without disabling the achievements in a world? Sadly, as it stands today, it is impossible. To keep it simple, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that if you want to use commands, cheats must be enabled, and in turn, this means that achievements will not be available for this world. I know this is unfortunate and it isn't what most people want to hear, but as it stands today, most commands that give the player an advantage will require cheats enabled. So if you have a survival world, there is no way around this. You need to either be on creative or activate the cheats. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using commands in Minecraft Bedrock Edition and how cheats being enabled are mandatory for them to work. There is no workaround to this unless you are playing on PC and you use some sort of inventory editor. For most cases, including mobile, you simply have to enable cheats for your world. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.